Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Shivani and if you are new, hello. So this channel belongs to fashion and lifestyle, and so today video is so interesting and I'm going to show you some really amazing outfits from Uptown brand. This is Indian brand. So they are sending me some few outfits which are so comfortable and affordable, so you can also purchase these outfits. So I'll give you the link in the description. So these are the look and these quality are so comfortable, are really good if you are in college or doing job and outing purpose. So this website having lots of options are there on affordable prices. So hope you like this video. I'm waiting for my next video, and any question related about fashion, so ping me on Instagram and comment section पर अपना favorite look बताना मत भूलना, and please like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye.